Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Trolls theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram. You simply need to click on that and you need to update Instagram application. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application. After that, you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation and click on your name. And from here, you need to click on team. And from here, you need to select the trolls. Wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that trolls theme is activated. So this is the complete process by which you can activate trolls theme on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.